guys to another video, and the question above here says find the area of the composite shape below. Now this is a composite shape because it is made up of two shapes combined. We can see here that there's a rectangular portion, and we can also see that there's a semicircular portion here, and these two shapes combine to make this one composite shape, and these are also called compound shape. A compound or composite shape is made up of two or more shapes combined. Now we can see that there are two parts to the shape, as we said before: the rectangular portion, which we'll call part A, and the semicircular portion, which we will call part B. Now we will be finding the area of these two parts and then combine them to get the area of the whole shape. So we'll be adding the two areas to get the area of the whole shape. Now for the rectangular portion, part A, the area is the length multiplied by the width. Alright, so we'll be using that, we'll be applying that formula there. And for the semicircular portion, we'll be using the formula pi r squared. Now, since this is a half a circle, right, a semicircle is a half a circle, we'll be dividing that answer by 2. So pi r squared divided by 2 will give us the area of the semicircular portion. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the area of the rectangular portion. That's 5 times 6, which is 30, and our unit is meters, so we have 30 meters square here for the rectangular portion. For the semicircular portion, we'll be using pi as 3.14, and we need to find out what our radius is. Now if we look on this side of the rectangle, we'll see that that is 6 meters, and opposite sides of the rectangle are the same, so this side would also be 6 meters. So the length of two opposite sides of the rectangle is the same, so these two opposite sides here would both measure 6 meters. Now this 6 meters is also the diameter of the semicircle, and the radius is a half of the diameter. So a half of 6 is 3 meters. Half of 6 meters is 3 meters. So our radius would be 3 meters. So that would be the radius of the semicircle. So we can use 3.14 multiplied by 3, and since we're squaring the radius, it's times 3 again, and we're dividing that by 2. So we need to find out what is 3.14 times 3 times 3. We can simplify that to get 3.14 times 9. We're dividing by 2. So we need to work out what is 3.14 times 9. So let's do that right here. 3.14 times 9. Now 4 9s are 36. So we bring down, write our 6 there, and carry our 3 to the next column. 9 1s 9 plus 3 12. So we write down 2 and bring the 1 to the next column. 9 3s 27 plus 1 28. And since we have 2 places of decimal here, our answer is 28.26, and our unit is meters, so it's 28.26 meters squared for the area of one whole circle that would have a radius of 3 meters. Now, to find the area of the semicircle, as we said before, we'll be dividing by 2. So it's 28.26 meters divided by 2 meters squared, actually, since it's areas, divided by 2 would give us 14.13 meters squared. Let's make some space here. 14.13 meters squared. That would be our answer for the semicircular portion, the area. Alright, now to find the area of the whole shape, we'll be combining the area of part A and the area of part B. We'll be adding them together, so that is 14.13 meters squared plus 30 meters squared we can write that as 30.00 for convenience, and then we'll add these two together. 3 plus 0 gives us 3, 1 plus 0, 1, we put our point here, 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 3, 4. So the area of the whole composite shape, part A and part B combined, is 44.13 meters squared. So that's our final answer. So hope you like this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and have a great time learning math.